All right, boys and girls, we're doing some more making a 10 to add. So we're going to use our 10 frames to help us here. So 9 dots are already on the 10 frame. So now I need 6 dots. So I'm going to draw 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many dots did I added 6. And so I have 10 plus how many are on this 10 frame? There's 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15. So both of those equal 15. Very good. Now I'm looking at the next one, 9 plus 5. So on this one, instead of drawing 6, I'm going to draw 5. So let's draw them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now there's 14 all together. So 10 plus 4 is 14, which means 9 plus 5 is 14. Good. So I want you to try number 3 and number 4 on your own. So push pause and give it a try, and then flip it over on the back for your math facts. All right, boys and girls, let's do just the first couple of rows of our math facts. This time you're going to find that it's a +0, a +1, a 2, or a 3. So you're going to have to be watching for that. So the first one is 6 plus 1. That's pretty simple. We just go to the next number. 3 plus 3 is 6. 7 plus 0 stays the same. 4 plus 2, if you want to draw the dots, you can. 4, 5, 6. Good. And the next one is also 6 because it's just 5 plus 1. Then this is 8. 1 plus 3 is just the next number, which is a 4. So do the rest on your own, and when you're done, do it what it is that your teacher would like you to do. Nice work, team.